Welcome to our YouTube channel Ingenious Choice Tutor. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the order of declaring class, package and import statement within a Java file. Okay, it is generally asked in the interview that what is the order of declaring class, package and import statement. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss this topic. So before starting the lecture, I request you to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the further notification regarding the upcoming videos. So let's start the lecture. So in any Java source file, there can be one and only one package statement. Okay. First of all, you have to understand some rules. Okay. So in any Java source file, there can be only one package statement. That is, more than one package statement is not allowed. Otherwise, we will get the compile time error. Take an example to understand this. Suppose this is a Java source file I have written. Okay, in this I have declared two package, package 1 and package 2. Okay, see, pack 1, pack 1 and package pack 2. When I am trying to compile this file, actually what happens, it will throw an error. We will get what? Compile time error. What is that compile time error? Class interface or enum expected. And at which line you will get the compile time error? At the second line. Okay, because in Java source file, okay, only one package statement is allowed. So your compiler will read the first package statement, criteria is fulfilled, and when it comes to the second package statement, then it will throw an compile time error. Okay, we will get the compile time error, and that compile time error is class interface or enum expected. Okay, so only one package statement is allowed in one Java source file. Okay, now see next. In any Java program, the first non-comment statement should be package statement. Otherwise, we will get the compile time error. Okay. If any package, if you want to declare the package, then the first non-comment statement should be that package statement if the package is present. Okay. Otherwise, we will get the compile time error. Look at the example to understand this. Suppose first statement I used is import java.io.star. Okay. The next statement is package pack1. Then public class A is defined, declared. Okay. So when you compile this program, then you will get what? Compile time error. What is that compile time error? Class interface or enum expected. Actually, what happens now? The first line, the rule is the first non-commented statement should be package statement. Okay. But in this example, the second statement is package statement and the first statement is import statement. That's why we got what? The compile time error. Okay, we got compile time error. And what is that compile time error? Class interface or enum expected. Okay, whenever you want to declare package, then it should be in the first statement. Okay, the first line should be the package statement. Okay, if I am talking about the non-comment statement, comment is allowed anywhere, no problem. So from these two rules, what is the conclusion? The conclusion is the order should be package, first package, then import statement, and then class definition. Okay, this is the order of declaration. First you have to declare the package, and then the import statement, and then class definition. See, see through the pictorial view. First the package statement. Okay, only one package statement is allowed. Okay, in any Java source file, only one package statement is allowed. Then the second one is import statement. You can import any number of means any number of import statement is allowed. Okay, any number of import statement is allowed, and any number of class interface or enum declaration is allowed. There is no restrictions on the number of import statement and the class interface and enum declaration. But in any Java source file, only one package statement is allowed. Okay, means you understand, per Java source file only one package statement. Okay, one Java source file, one package statement, another Java source file, another package statement, but only one package statement is allowed. So this is the order. What is the order? The first is package statement, the second is import statement, and the third one is the class declaration or interface declaration or enum declaration. So this is the order. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can comment me the question. I will surely respond. So thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and hit the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to get the further notification regarding the upcoming videos.